The ease of which I can now access higher registers of my instrument. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. I blasted out a double F without thinking, because I was thinking like I had done some breath work in the last 10 minutes. I think that was particularly helpful because not only were the methods described detailed, it also caused me to have think about my natural physiology and what's happening with my own body when I play that I'm not aware of. You pointed out that my like my shoulders move forward. I wasn't aware of that nearly as much, or my head moving forward, my face coming to the mouthpiece. I didn't know about that until you pointed that out. So to have you point that out within your refined framework, really helpful. Definitely going over the body's physiognomy and posture, that was particularly helpful for me for all three methods. And to also your willingness to tailor point two to my own embouchure and my own instrument was incredibly helpful. I think because it wasn't as rigid as some other methods were, I think that definitely helped me.